This is a very pretty example of a mid-century James Sadler teapot, 2-pint version. This lovely interlinked basket or fence-like design moulded into the sectional wall panels. It's octagonal in its section. If I turn it upside, well, not upside down, on its end, you can see the 8 walls that make up this teapot. Beautiful gilt around the spout and the lid. Nice, very clean gilt. Just a tiny little bit of wear over the handle here, but really it's absolutely superb considering its age. Let's bring that panel into a little bit more of a frame for you to look at. Narcissi, irises, tulips, lovely spring flower decoration around that panel, and then on the rear just a smaller little panel of blue and yellow decoration. The lid's absolutely clean. Just a little bit of, I think that's mould nicking, because it is actually overglazed, all of those. They're not chips at all. They have, that's just part of the moulding that's not come out of the actual mould itself when it's been made at the Sadler factory. It's a lovely thing. I've not seen one this shape with this moulding detail on it. Lovely and tactile, beautiful condition, period vintage teapot with this beautiful spring flower bouquet panel on the front. Absolutely delightful. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website, link from the description below. Click on that, it'll take you directly through to this product. Got quite a few Sadler teapots in on stock. We always buy them when we see them if they're in good condition, so do have a browse if you're looking for a nice piece of English earthenware, porcelain or other type of china for your tea table. Thanks for watching.